In today's video, I will teach you how to add objects to any photos using AI. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to Pixel Generative Fill. And here, you can either upload to use your own image or select a free sample image provided on the site to test the tool. Now use the brush tool to highlight the area where you want to add an object. Then adjust the brush size using the slider on the right panel. You can also enable Pro Quality, which uses advanced AI to better erase subjects. But take note that Pro Quality is for Pro subscribers only. In the text box, type a specific prompt describing the object or scene that you want to generate, and make sure to be clear and creative. Now hit the Generate button and let the AI add your object. If it's not quite right, you can regenerate. You can simply edit your prompt and click Regenerate to try again. But take note that you can only regenerate up to 3 times for free. An optional step is making more edits. You can use the left panel for additional image customization. For example, remove background, or replace it with solid color, AI-generated scene, or your own upload. And you can also add shadows, blur, retouch, expand, or upscale your image. Now, click the Compare button at the top to view the changes side by side. And once you're happy with the results, you can click Download to save your edited photo to your computer. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.